What's going on, guys? So today we have a quick little video on an unboxing. So I've never done an unboxing before. We're gonna do an unbox of RevAuto Supply mystery box. So we got the goods here. Shout out to RevAuto Supply. Use Stock Boys for 50% off your order. So we ordered 2 mystery boxes. So let's see what we got today. All right, so first thing we got is Revive. So this is a perfect 2-in-1 interior cleaner, safe for all materials. Cool, Revive interior cleaner. All right, next guys, we got Uber Shine, tire shine, water-based dressing that won't ruin your paint. Uber Shine, guys. So it's for your tire. Tire shine is always really cool. So far we got interior cleaner, tire shine, Berry Blast. We got Berry Blast. This is the one thing that I really wanted because this is like their soap, but if you see the photos, which I'll put in right there, it's like the foamy, you know what the foam goes, and it looks like, it's like a cake on your car. This is awesome. So perfect for foam, Berry Blast. Mean Clean Green Machine. I just made that up. That's not actually what it's called. The Mean Clean, guys. Let's see what this is for. It's just an all-purpose cleaner for anything, honestly. Stains, wheels, engine bays, exhausts, anything. That's awesome. Serum X. Oh, detailer. That's cool. So it's a detailer that won't damage or scratch. Serum X safely lifts off the paint, safe for vinyl, blah, 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 blah. Cool. So, got a little nice squad lineup going on there. The suds. We got the suds, boys. I don't know what the suds are. Shampoo and wax. Bro, this is dope. The suds, shampoo and wax. Last but not least, Neo Glass Window Cleaner. Cool. So it's just window cleaner. Pretty cool. Dang, that's a lot of stuff. Got the sprays. Hope there's a sticker in here. Yes. RevAuto stickers. That's what I'm talking about. What is this? Oh, microfiber. Perfect. Okay, this thing is big. All right, so looking at the RevAuto website, this is what we got. We got a mystery box for 50 bucks. We're gonna go ahead and see everything that we got and see how much everything costs, if we got a good deal or not. First, we got the Revive, 17 bucks. Cool. Uber Shine, 16. So we're at $32 approximately. Berry Blast, $16, puts us at about 48 bucks so far. Serum X, another 16. Puts us at about 64. Mean Clean, 15. We're at about 80 bucks now. The Suds puts us at 95. So 105. And then big ass drying towel. That's so 35. So totaling everything up, it added up to about $140. So the mystery box goes for around 50. We got 2 of them, and if you use the 15% off discount code, you'll get them both for around 80 to 85 bucks, and we got, what, $140 with this? That's almost double the value. It's a pretty good deal. I'm super excited to use all the products. I'll make another video about reviewing all the products, see what they're like, but I'm not gonna wash my car for a minute, because if you live in Houston, Texas, you know that this weekend, actually it's supposed to like hail tonight. I don't know if you guys can see, but the weather's gonna be terrible tonight. What do you think, Jacob?
I think it's gonna be bad.
But yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. A super short video just unboxing all the RevAuto stuff. I love the colors. It's really bright and beautiful. Looks really cool. So thank you guys for watching. I'll let you guys know what I think of the products. Remember, Stock Boys, 15% off your order. Shout out to Rev Supply for the sick order. I'm super excited for this. Quick video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another one. Have an amazing weekend, guys. Also, I've been watching a lot of Star Wars recently, and I feel like a Jedi now with all 7 of my lightsabers. Aha!